Yo, what's up, y'all? This your boy, Chef G-Wes, and I'm coming at you guys with an episode on how to make microwave chili. This is great for people who are traveling or working out of town, you know, staying in the hotels and things like that, like I do. These are all the ingredients that I'm gonna need for this chili right here. I got black pepper, ground beef. I only got a pound because I'm gonna make just some for myself. I got mild chili because I couldn't find spicy, but that's fine because I got hot chili, um, chili beans, and I got like a regular kind and some mild diced tomatoes with green chilies. So these are all the ingredients I'm gonna need. So first of all, I'm gonna start by browning the meat in the microwave, of course. And this is what it looks like after 7 minutes in the microwave. I'm not sure what this microwave is set on as far as power level, so I'm not really sure. But you just want to cook it until till you can't see any more blood in it, and then of course we're gonna drain it out next. And you can also add some flavor into it, before you microwave it. Add some salt or whatever you want on your meat. Okay, I got everything drained. Now, time to put the what? Let's see. We're gonna put our chili in there first. Chili beans. I have my throwaway bag over there. Gonna put the chili beans in. I hope this bowl is big enough for all these cans. I only got 2 cans of beans, but hopefully this bowl is big enough. And this one, the hot one, I'm not gonna drain it. I'm gonna, give us a little juice. I don't like my chili runny, I like it more solid. I prefer spicy, but oh well, this is what they had, so. Because in this hotel, you're not supposed to cook anything. So, I mean, they have a microwave, so obviously you can cook something in the microwave. Some people don't know you can cook hamburger meat in the microwave. I mean, I've been doing it for years anyway, but it works. Okay, I'm gonna have to put my camera down so I can mix this chili mix right there. I'll be back in just a second. Okay, so this is how it looks after everything is all mixed together. And you can warm it up until it's hot or boiling or to your preferred taste or whatever. But there you have it, microwave chili. And you can add whatever you want to it. I prefer like onions, a little bit of cheese. Then I'll put a few of those in there. But bon appetit, man. Hope you guys enjoy it and be looking forward to more content. I will be putting more things up, Peace out. Yeah.